Hello. Today let's make so delicious French fries with not an additional of oil into or we will make it with our air fryer by Philips. It's an extra large version here. We dock the cube in the basket with the French fries into it, and then we switch to the first program that are freeze the French fries. If you does not have freeze, you choose the second one, and then let's play. After the 15 up to 20 minutes of using, you should shake a little bit your French fries, and after approximately 30 minutes, your French fries are ready. There is oil on it, of course, because the production unit make a French fries oil onto it, but we does not add oil to it, and that makes it not oil free but low oil consumption here. Take it and then use it and make a delicious meal out of it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.